Okay guys, we are back in the studio, still continuing on with our melt and pour series, and we're just gonna wipe these out again. That's what I love about melt and pour. There's no mess, no fuss. All you just do is just spray it with alcohol and just wipe it out. That's it. So today we're going to do our we're going to do another natural colorant. We're going to do this olive leaf from Nurture Soap. And we're going to do this French green clay that I've got off of Amazon. I think I got it off Amazon. I'm not sure. But we're going to scent it with tea tree oil. And we're going to scent it with bramble berries in the house. Rosemary. You can't see it, but it says rosemary. So we're going to send it with that. So what we're going to do, we're going to get our teaspoon here. And this is just a teaspoon of oat straw. Well, not oat straw, olive leaf. I don't know why I got oat straw in the brain. But these are packed with vitamins and minerals. And we're going to take some of our clay here. And we're just going to give that a mixture. We're going to do our, add a little bit of alcohol. The reason why I add alcohol is it disperses and it won't be in the final product. When it dry, it will dissipate. It just helps loosen up those oils that are in here. So we just break all that up into clumps. We're just going to mix all that together. And it helps disperse evenly into our melt and pour, so we won't have clumps. If we just added this straight into our melt and pour, it's just going to be clumpy. It's just going to be just clumpy clump. And you're going to be mad. You're going to have little clumps everywhere. Just clumps. So we got that mixed up really good. So now we're going to put that back on the shelf. We're going to put these back on our shelves. And then we're going to pull off our thing here. See? So we're going to take our spoon. See, it still has little chunks in there. If you can see these little chunks. See these little chunks? We got to get those mixed in. So what we're going to do is stir. Get those mixed in really, really good. And get it to melting. So our temperature, with the heat gun, our temperature for this is at 164 Fahrenheit. So we're just going to mix this up. And get the rest of this just blended into our soaps. Because we want it to dissipate. We don't want any chunks into our final product. So we're here to do our olive and green tea tree soap, or we can just call it rosemary and tea tree soap. I think that's what I'm going to call it, rosemary and tea tree soap. And I'll probably put with green tea, not green tea, why am I calling that green tea? Green French clay and olive leaf powder. Alright, now since we got half of it, we got a little bit left. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to mix it up into, we're going to disperse this into our melt and pour here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this melt and pour, and we're going to get the rest of this out, because we don't want all this goodness to stay in our thing. Like I said, we've got an out go over the list of what we've used in our soap and our melt and pour, and the benefits. Oh, they got great benefits. But this is not a healing process. It's just good bath soap that has natural ingredients. We're not doing any kind of medical claim, any kind of whatchamacallit, but if it does help, it helps. So we're just going to mix all that up. Get all that mixed in into our, and we've got a beautiful, beautiful green color. Look, guys, that's a beautiful color. Beautiful color. There's some little clumps in here. I'm trying to break them up. Okay, now let's see what our temp is now. Our temp is at 145. I really don't want to burn off our thing. So we're going to go ahead and turn on our scale. Okay. I'm going to tear our scale again just to be on the safe side. So we're going to take our tea tree here, and we're just going to add some in there. Okay. I'm going to tear this again, and we're going to add some of this rosemary. I love rosemary. Oh my goodness, I love an herbal soap. Ah, rosemary is so good. Thank you, Berry, for making this nice soap. So we got all our ingredients in. We're going to take this off, and now we're just going to stir it in. Just stir it in. This is a lovely combination, and I love the color of the green clay and the olive leaf. This is so luxurious. So we're going to go ahead and pour this into our mold here. Hold on. There's something in there. All right, let's go ahead and pour it in. I actually like this individual mold. It's just easier to pull them out. I add a little bit more touch to it. So we're just going to add a little and That's what I was afraid of. We had some undiluted mix of the thing. They get, that's okay. But we got it. 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 So we're going to take our rubbing alcohol and we're just going to dissipate those bubbles. And there you have it. We have our tea tree and rosemary French olive soap. Thank you for joining us on this day, and thank you for being on this journey with our melt and pour soaps. This is a series. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will bring you back for the unmolding. Have a great and wonderful day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like. Tell your friends and your neighbors, your co-workers, that EDM Soaps is here for you, all of your skincare needs. And we are a natural soap company, and we love using natural herbs and powders and essential oils and fragrance oil. I love fragrance oils too. And please visit EDM Soaps, www.edmsoaps.com, and purchase all of our products there. Y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Tell someone that you love them and you have their back. Bye for now.